All right, guys, we are out for day 2 at Buffalo Gap in February of 2026. We've got our camp ovens, we got a Poike pot at the front, and a spotter at the back. We've got our little sheriff watching everything, make sure it goes good. We're going to start out with the lodges. We got the 10s and the 12s, and then we have it in the little bit older version. Then we go through some more lodges, a bacon skillet. We've got some BSRs, got some mixture, got some raised 7s. Got a little bit of aluminum back there. It's all from Wilton. It's actually pretty nice. Got some old skillets. Got some Griswolds, some old lodges. A lot of Wagners. And then we're going to cut across here. We've got some of our lodge decorative. We've got our Wagner waffle iron. We've got a black lock. Then we got 3 more black locks. And then we got a couple of chef skillets. We got some toys, some candle holders, some crosses, some door stops. And we still have some griddles. I took the old griddles. I decided to put those in the truck. Got some fryers in the back. Got some Dutch ovens. Got a Iron Mountain, and got a couple of the Wagners. Got some lodges back there. Got a Robert Irvine right there. And then we go to the baking stuff, but we have a little bit more toys. We've got 2 of the regular old scones, and then we got this old Royal. And then we've got some muffin pans. We got some cake pans. And then we go down here, we've got the little grill. I went ahead and opened up this little grill just so that people can see what it looks like. And then we got the Sportsman. But guys, that's it. Hope everybody has a great day.